Hey everyone, today we are breaking down the biggest highlights from the launch of Odoo 19 announced during Odoo Community Days 2025 in Gandhipur. If you couldn't make it to the event, don't worry. We've got the key takeaways right here for you. Odoo 19 brings some exciting improvements that make ERP smarter, simpler, and more intuitive. Let's go through the major updates. One of the first things you'll notice is the revamped product form. It's not just a cosmetic change, it's designed to give you a more holistic view of your products. Now, you will see on-hand quantities, incoming shipments, and future availability right on the product screen. The new forecast button is a real game changer. Instead of guessing how many stock you'll need, Odoo uses historical sales data and purchase patterns to predict requirements. For example, let's say you sell electronics and your best-selling headphone models usually peaks in sale around the holiday season. Odoo 19's forecast can alert you in advance so that you know exactly how many units to order, preventing outstocks and lost revenue. Previously, you had to juggle between two separate settings for units of measurement and packaging, which could get confusing. Odoo 19 simplifies this by merging both into a single configuration right inside the product form. This means you can define how you sell, purchase, and store a product all in one place. For example, if you are a food distributor selling juice bottles, you can set it up so a single unit equals one bottle, but a case equals 12 bottles and a pellet equals 48 bottles. With the merged view, you don't have to navigate multiple menus. Everything is right where you meet it, making product setup and inventory tracking faster and more consistent. Manufacturers and industries with strict compliance requirements are really going to appreciate this one. Odoo 19 now lets you create custom lots and serial numbers. Instead of being locked into the default formats, this adds flexibility and improves traceability. For example, imagine you are a pharmaceutical company producing batches of medicine. You can now generate a lot number that matches your internal compliance codes while still maintaining Odoo's automatic tracking. This ensures that if there's ever a recall, you can trace exactly which batch went to which distributor in seconds. It's stronger quality control without adding complexity. Odoo 19 isn't just about back-end features. The user interface has received a major refresh. Menus are cleaner, data entry screens are more faster. Data entry screens are faster and the overall flow feels more intuitive. For businesses adopting ERP for the first time, this reduces the learning curve dramatically. And for experienced users, it means fewer clicks, fewer errors, and faster navigation. For example, instead of digging through multiple tabs to update customer pricing, the new UI brings everything closer together on the same screen. It's all about saving time and making the ERP experience more enjoyable for everyday users. So those were the key takeaways from Odoo 19 straight from Gandhinagar. Smarter product forms with forecasting, simplified UI and packaging, custom lot numbers, and an overall smoother experience. It's another big step towards making ERP more intelligent and accessible. What do you think? Which of these updates will impact your business the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates from the world of Odoo and business tech. See you in the next one.